So now let's see how we can work around with the draw tool inside of Pixlr E. So here you can see that I have an image, and on the left side you can see that after the pen tool you got the draw tool. And if I were to click on this, then this is what you have. So you got the brush. So if I were to click and drag this, then you can see that I can simply paint around. So this is how the brush works. I can go around onto the foreground color, click here, and then choose the color that I want. And if I were to click and drag this, then this is how the brush works. I can also go around and increase the brush size. Let's say, for example, if I were to increase the size, I can click and drag this around over here. I can also go around with the softness right here, click and drag this around, and that is how it becomes soft. I can also go around and increase the step, click and drag this around, and you can see that the steps actually increase out right here instead of creating a smooth type of a drawing right there. So if I were to go around right here and go on to different shapes, that is how it works accordingly. You can also go around into opacity, and if you were to decrease out the size, then this is how it actually works out. So you can go around, decrease out the opacity, then you can see that the opacity decreases right there. You can also go around and then work around with mirror. So if you were to do that, you can see on the right side, the same type of drawing is actually there. You can go around onto horizontal mirror, and then you can see that it mirrors out in a horizontal way when I actually go around right here. You can go around into 4-way, and then what happens is that it actually works around 4 ways. So if I were to click here, you can see that I'm just going to go around, increase out the opacity, and this is how it actually works. You can draw around, and that is how it goes 4-way. You can also go around into hard tip, which makes the tip much more harder. So I'm just going to go around right here onto, let's say, this one right here. So this is more like a hard tip, as you can see, which I can enable or disable for a more softer tip. You can see the difference once you zoom in. This is the hard tip and this is the soft tip. And that is how you can work around with the draw tool inside of Pixlr E. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.